Welcome to Mom Chi's Amazing Corner. This is your virtual classroom in Science 10 and I am your teacher, Ma'am Menchie Cruz. Both the nervous and endocrine systems play an important part in enabling the body to maintain homeostasis. Let's learn more on how the nervous system and endocrine system work together to maintain homeostasis in today's lesson. The objectives of today's lesson are: define homeostasis, differentiate the negative and positive feedback mechanisms, and enumerate some examples of negative and positive feedback mechanisms that take place in our daily living activities. Our lesson for today is about nervous system working together with the endocrine system to maintain homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is the state of steady, internal physical and chemical conditions maintained by the living organism. Most body systems maintain homeostasis by using feedback mechanisms. These are the negative feedback mechanism and the positive feedback mechanism. The negative feedback mechanism involves a response that is the reverse of the change detected. This means that the function is to reduce the change. Positive feedback, however, involves a response that reinforces the change detected. Here is an example of how nervous and endocrine system work together to maintain homeostasis. When the brain receives messages from the body about an internal change on its system, it works to restore the system to its normal state. In this example, the brain detected an increase in the blood sugar level in the body. The brain sends signals to the pancreas to produce insulin and release it into the blood. The hormone insulin will inform the liver to take up glucose and store it as glycogen. The body cells also take up extra glucose in the blood. From these events, the blood glucose will decrease and becomes normal. Homeostasis is achieved. This is an example of negative feedback. Some body parts become useful in the fight or flight response. Adrenaline can make the blood vessels of some non-essential body organs constrict and divert the flow of blood from it so that more blood will be provided to the muscles. Even the eyes are affected by adrenaline by making your pupils dilate, which means they get wider, and this allows more light in to better see the danger. Always remember that the levels of hormones in the body are controlled by feedback. It is important that the amount of hormones in our body is kept at the right level. The endocrine system plays an important part in maintaining homeostasis. To achieve homeostasis, the nervous and endocrine systems maintain a normal range of the following: body temperature, amount of water in the body, amount of metabolic waste in the cell, blood calcium level, and more bodily functions to sustain life. I hope you enjoyed and learned from our lesson today. This is Mom Chi. See you in another amazing lesson.